Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Wise Card in Japan. So, using a Wise Card in Japan is simple and efficient. It works just like other debit card but with lower foreign exchange rate and real-time currency conversion. Here's how you can do this. First, activate and fund your Wise Card. So before traveling, open the Wise app and ensure that your card is activated. Then, add funds to your JPY balance or any major currency by tapping Add Money, and Wise automatically converts your funds at mid-market rates, saving you from tourist markups. Now, step 2 is using it for in-store payments. So in Japan, you can use a Wise card anywhere that accepts Visa or MasterCard. Simply tap, insert or swipe at convenience stores, restaurants or train kiosks. For small purchases, contactless payments, that is tap to pay, works best. Always choose to pay in Japanese yen, that is JPY, not your home currency, to avoid extra conversion fee. Now, if you need yen in cash, use ATM at 7-Eleven, Family Mart or Japan Post. They all accept foreign cards. Insert your Wise card, select withdrawal, checking account and take out your cash. Wise allows 2 free ATM withdrawals up to €200 per month before a small fee apply. Now, step 4 is using it for online purchases. So shopping on Japanese website or booking travel, enter your Wise card details like any other debit card. It will automatically convert your funds to JPY during checkout, showing the exact exchange rate in the app. Now, after each payment, you'll instantly get a notification in the Wise app showing the merchant, amount and exchange rates used. You can also freeze your card if lost or suspicious activity appears. Now, your Wise card is now ready for Japan, smooth payments, fair conversion rates, and full control from your phone wherever you go. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.